Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a Honcho wholesale box here, massively huge one. It's got a bunch of shoes in it, so let's see what kind of condition and what kind of shoes they are. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so let me give you the specifications on this box. This is from Honcho Wholesale. Used to be Smash Lots. You can Google both and still get to the same place. Women's shoes, fall and winter, 22 separate pairs of shoes. Now this looks like a lot of money to spend, but they're supposed to be much higher end shoes than I'm used to getting. And so $439.78 is the cost. Shipping for $40, $479.78, roughly about $21, $22 per pair of shoes, which sounds crazy, but when I looked all of them up on the manifest, I was able to do really well on them. And so hopefully we can make our money back. So let's see what we got here. So we're going to just try to get into this. And then we'll see. They're supposed to have, the majority of them are supposed to have the actual boxes with them. So we'll see how many have the boxes with them and how many don't. And we'll see how I can manage to get into this box. This is going to be interesting.
Just cut the top.
Oh, see, that's why he's so smart. We're just going to cut the top open. All right, let's get our ladder since I'm a shorty. It was fun to watch me cut the sides though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
He's like, let's just see how long it takes her to figure this out. All right.
Sometimes it's about the journey, Heather.
It's the journey to the inside of the box. 22 pairs of shoes. Fall and winter women's. Oh, okay. Ooh, Naturalizer. These are really expensive shoes. Naturalizer shoes. So I'm going to just start piling some down here, and then we're going to open the shoes. So these don't come with the box. $59 originally, 99% off. They are now 1 cent.
You know, 1 cent means it was from a store closing. I just, somebody commented on that.
Oh, okay. So this is a store closing.
Yeah, it doesn't mean that it
Good
was
to
actually
know.
sold for a penny. It means
Okay.
the store is closing.
So I'm just going to pull a bunch of these out, and then we're going to open them. So here's another pair that doesn't have a Michael Kors slides.
Yeah.
Bear paw. Okay, let's look at some of these, and I'll let you look in the boxes here. Bear paw. Ooh, they're like Uggs, kind of. I don't know how much they are originally. Original retail price, $89, size 10. That's a good size to resell.
On the box just a second.
Yeah.
Hard time with the camera again.
Look.
Pop up. There we go. Yeah, I think they're store closing.
Yeah,
They're brand new.
they are brand new. And then let's see, we've got some Dr. Scholl's. Oh, those are cute. Look at those. Let me pull them out of the bag here. Look at those. Hold on, I'm going to move it. Sorry. Okay.
Really good.
Look at those.
They're definitely brand new.
Yeah, for sure. And a lot of them are $80, $90 shoes. So I'm just going to keep pulling shoes out while you show the folks what they look like. Let me get that out of the bag.
Yeah, you can. They look like they're brand new to you?
Yeah, they do. They do. And most of them come with their original boxes in really nice condition. Ooh, Steve Madden. Aerosols. Naturalizer. Jewel. All right, let's open some of these. I'm going to pull these kind of back a row, and then I'll give you a close-up look at what some of these other ones look like. Okay, let's look at these. Jewel Bagley Mashika. What those look like. Here, let me do that. Sorry, I want to try to... Okay, I'm going to move these bear claw ones back since we've seen those already. Try to give you a good view.
What size are
These ones, they're pretty normal. This is a 5.5. This is a 10. This one, Dr. Scholl's, is, does it say on the box? 9. This one doesn't, let me see. Does it say on the box? 9.5. This one is a 8. These Michael Kors slides are a 9. This one is a... These have been walked on. Maybe just in the store.
Maybe. You think they're returns?
Maybe. I don't know. This one is a size 9. All right, let's look at these naturalizers down here. Oh, look at that. That's a large size for sure. What does it say on the front of the box there?
It says 12W.
Okay, 12 women, 12 wide. Then these are 9.5 in US, European 7.5. These are very unique shoes. These are a size 10.
Oh, kind of the leopard look.
Yeah. Most of these naturalizer shoes that I'm showing you are originally priced $90. This is a size 12. Let's see, we've got Stephen Madden sandals, size 8.
Nice.
Yeah, they're really nice shoes. Definitely better than our Target ones, huh?
Oh, yeah.
These are a pair of size 8 heels.
Oh, wow. Those.
Yeah.
Can you move those to the angle?
This here?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
Wow.
All right. So far, I'm really loving what I'm seeing. Some more with boxes. Now, when I looked them up on the manifest, I know that there were 22 pairs in here, and there were only about 7 or 8 that I can send to Amazon, and the rest I would have to sell on Poshmark. But when I looked them up on Poshmark, these are all selling for like $40+, most of these brands. And so I'm really excited to see what we can make on these. So
You got what, $21 a pair?
$21 a pair of shoes, and then $40 after fees is where I'm looking for most of them. I can't get to the bottom of the box. Ugh. That's because my hands aren't big enough to grab those huge ones. All right, one more giant one in here. Look. That's a really long... those better be boots. Otherwise, they're size 15, 17. There's Shaquille O'Neal shoes in there, right? Or they're probably women's boots. Let's see. I'm lost inside the box. I can't come... Lost, never to return again.
You're right. Those are.
Yeah, I was telling you. It's a huge box.
They're size 7.5.
They're boots. Yeah, I was thinking they were boots. Dr. Scholl's women's boots.
They're Dr. Scholl's?
That's what they... Well, that's what the box say. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess
Look.
they are. Yeah.
Oh, the leather is so soft on these boots. Is it not focusing very well?
I'm having a hard time focusing on the Dr. Scholl's part.
That's all right. I can tell you, it says Dr. Scholl's on the bottom. And the leather is super soft. It has an extendable calf on it, which is nice. Nema. Ooh, here's some more fancy ones. Look at the bottom. It's got a little jewel thingy. Okay. Oh, sorry. The paper is in the way. Sorry, guys. All right, this is a 10. Let me set it down here. There. Then you can focus in a little better without me moving it. Then I've got another naturalizer here. That's a size 10 loafer. These are really expensive shoes. I do know that I cannot list them on Amazon. I'm restricted, but I can sell them on Poshmark. Here's another pair of those bear paw boots, like we pulled out earlier.
Those were size 10. What were those size?
These ones are size 10. Those are also size 10.
Okay.
So that'll make an easy listing. I'm going to just move these down here since they're the same. Let's see. Karen Scott. We've done a lot of Karen Scott ladies tops. Oh, look at that cute little shoe. So that one is a size 6.5. It looks like, I'm trying to see what the original retail price on these are. Yeah, it looks like some of these are customer returns, because look, let me show you this. If you read that barcode, that white barcode, it says customer return label.
Well, it says floor sample also.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big orange thing.
All right.
It's strange that a lot of these are saying one sentence, like a Macy's store closed, and
Yeah.
which is actually really good.
It is really good.
Condition looks really sharp.
Oh yeah. These are Carlos, size 8. Let me put them right here.
Do you have another one that looks like, no, it's a little different.
They're a different brand. But these are definitely, oh, here's the leopard ones again, a different size. These are 7.5. Look at the bottom of these. I wanted to show you the bottom of these. Aren't those fun? And then here's a brand we have not yet opened over here. Easy Street. These have never even been tried on, I don't think. Yeah. I'm going to set it right here and then look for the size on the box. Easy Street, 9.5. Little pumps. And then these are similar, but they've got a little bit more of a pattern to them. Look at the padding in there.
Yeah, looks sharp.
Yeah, it does look sharp.
Yeah, that is a thick padding there.
Yeah, they look comfortable. So those are size 9 wide. So way higher quality than I'm used to seeing in shoes, because really I've only ever really shoe-wise bought. I bought the Groupon palettes from bulk.com, and then I bought Target palettes, which was primarily a lot of sandals and flats, you know, the kind of the $20 shoe you buy from Target. But these are listed, most of them are around the $90 range is what the regular retail price is. The MSRP was pretty high on this, about $1,600. So we're going to go through probably on another video and kind of give you a guesstimation on how much we think that we can make out of these shoes, and then which ones we're going to send to Amazon, why we can't send some to Amazon, and if you're interested in any of these shoes, check them out on my Poshmark store in the link in the description below. But definitely much better quality than what I've seen in the past that I've unboxed. So I wanted to jump into something a little bit new with Honcho Wholesale. You've seen me do some clothing boxes from them, but I really wanted to check out their shoes. Also, just so you know, They're offering a $25 discount on select shoe boxes similar to this. And so if you put in the promo code SHOES, it's not on every shoe box because they have different distributors. So they're only allowed, I guess, to give the discount code on that particular distributor. And so $25 shoe discount code. So when you're buying a shoe box from Honcho Wholesale, just put in the promo code SHOES, see if you don't get $25 off, and it might help you out in making a little bit more money and taking the cost down for you as far as reselling. So we're going to do a second video, kind of walk through, see how much we're going to make on each one of these pairs of shoes, and then I'll let you know what's going to Amazon and what's going to Poshmark and the reasons why. So hopefully it's been helpful to see this awesome quality you're going to get from Honcho Wholesale. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.